Nadia, my name is Millie. I don't know if we've met. So I was just showing this gentleman how to use our interactive teller machine and how wonderful you guys are at the call center. And just wanted to kind of just for you to tell me, you know, how it works and what services or products we can use with the machine.
I will put on that screen that you're seeing right now. You can enter either your social or account number. Once you've done that, I will get the information. I will look your stuff up in the system. If you need to deposit your checks, I will just open that drawer for you to deposit up to 50 checks. You put that in, I will verify all of them. I will deposit them for you. I'll give you a receipt with your balance, and if you like a copy of all the checks, we can print that as well. If you want to cash a check, we can do that. If you need to transfer money, we can transfer money for you.
And how many checks can I deposit at one time?
50.
50 checks at a time. And our hours are 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. And then on Saturdays, 7 to 3? 7 to 3. So thank you so much. I really appreciate your time.
No problem.
Have a wonderful day. Thank you.